Wow, that is some speed, man. This guy came back. They are coming. Like they're coming on leather.
This video is shot using Hold My Phone 3D printed video rig. Design in description.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome to Dubai Heli Show 2024.
Let's get it insane. बारिश विच नचे without any shame. पानी दा जादू दिल नू ले जावे हाय कदम नाल बीट भी ये नचदा जावे.
That is a real rescue helicopter right there. This is the engine for that Augusta parked right there.
We'll touch the stars. No change. Oh yeah, पानी विच फेर नच नच के लगदा रे पैर चिप मेरे नाल राह साथ चल दे प्यार विच रिदम ना बीट्स दी गल दे. Let's jump, let's splash, let's break every rule. Rain दी छत्तर विच we both look cool.
Thrown in a box for Dubai Police. Unmanned cargo one.
Losing all the pain, सारे दुनिया भूल जा यार. नच नच के we'll touch the stars. Oh, in the rain, नचिए like there's no tomorrow, no change.
Wow, that is some speed, man. There. Sweet. Third guy. They are coming. Like they're coming on leather. Oh, this guy's pulling some stunts. Sweet landing. Nice rolls. This guy came back. He will pick up more people and then go back up again.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back,